Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset Wi-Fi Extender MT02-7 in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. I hope in the end this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. Resetting the Wi-Fi Extender MT02-7 Repeater is necessary when it stops working properly, shows connection issues, or doesn't connect to your router anymore. A factory reset clears all old settings, errors, and wrong configurations, so you can set it up fresh like a new device. It helps fix most problems and restores stable performance. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. Resetting the Wi-Fi Extender MT02-7 Repeater is necessary when it stops working properly, shows connection issues, or doesn't connect to your router anymore. A factory reset clears all old settings, errors, and wrong configurations, so you can set it up fresh like a new device. It helps fix most problems and restores stable performance. Look around the extender's body, usually on the side, bottom, or back. The reset button is normally a small, round pinhole button. You cannot press it with a finger because it's recessed. Prepare a SIM ejector pin, toothpick, paperclip, or needle. Insert the paperclip/pin into the reset hole gently. You will feel a small click inside. This means the internal button is pressed. Keep holding the button for 8 to 12 seconds continuously. Do not release early, the timing is important. While holding, observe the LEDs. After at least 8 to 12 seconds, remove the pin. The extender will now start the reset process internally. LEDs may turn off, blink slowly. This means the reset command was accepted successfully. Once you release the button, the extender will automatically reboot. This reboot process usually takes 40 to 60 seconds. Reset completed. After the reboot completes, the MT02-7 repeater is restored to factory settings. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.